everyone, Sociomanic this side. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you about the small kingdoms that has emerged during the latter half of the reign of Delhi Sultan. So keep learning, stay connected. Please like and share the video, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get going. Look, when the sultans became weak, some provinces became independent. What is the meaning of provinces? Provinces means states. Provinces को हम states भी कह सकते हैं. तो जब सुल्तान रूलर्स जितने भी दिल्ली सुल्तान रूलर्स थे वो वीक हो रहे थे, they are not competent enough. So slowly and steadily small kingdoms has started being independent होने लगे थे. And here I have written some states. Okay, here I have written names of the states: Kashmir, Marwar, Mewar, Bengal, Gujarat, and Khandesh. So let us discuss about them one by one. First one is Kashmir. Okay, look, earlier in the early medieval period, Kashmir was a Hindu dynasty. Okay, ये कौन रूल कर रहा था यहाँ पर? हिंदू डायनेस्टी रूल कर रही थी. And after some period, a Muslim dynasty had started ruling, and basically the ruler was Shah Mir. ठीक है? And the important king was Zain-ul-Abidin. important king कौन था? Zain-ul-Abidin था. ये बहुत ज्यादा important ruler था. यहाँ पर इसको बादशाह के नाम से बुलाया जाता था और इसको अकबर ऑफ कश्मीर भी बोला जाता था. He basically has started so many policies like religious tolerance. धर्म के नाम पर कोई भेदभाव नहीं होना चाहिए, सभी धर्म बराबर हैं. और some policies of basically related to education and learning, I can say. So he has considered as the Akbar of Kashmir, right? Then comes Marwar. The second important independent regional kingdom was Marwar. Look, it was ruled by the Rathors. कौन रूल कर रहा था? In the starting, it was ruled by Rathors. The Maharaja Jodha founded the city of Jodhpur and built Mehrangarh Fort there. Look, you can check here the Mehrangarh Fort. And who built it? किसने बनाया था ये फोर्ट? ये फोर्ट बनवाया था महाराजा जोधा ने. ठीक है? कहाँ पर? And he has also made the city of Jodhpur. That you can check here, right? After that, the important king was Maharaja Maldev. Another important king that we must know about him is Maharaja Maldev. Okay, then comes the third state, third province, independent kingdom, I can say, Mewar. मेवाड़ के बारे में बात करते हैं. इन मेवाड़ at that time it was the rule of सिसोदिया राजपूत. किसका रूल था? सिसोदिया राजपूत का रूल था. Here you can check, I have written some names and you can also check the picture here one by one. First, Rana Hamid. Second one, Rana Khumba. And the third one, Rana Sanga. Look, the most important king was Rana Sanga, that you can check here. He defeated ruler of Malwa, and at the end, the Babar, the Mughal ruler, the Mughal emperor, defeated him in the battle of Khanua in 1527. You can keep check here, right? Then comes Bengal. Look, before starting Bengal, I want to tell you something, that stay tuned to my video at the end of the video. Why? Because at the end of the video, I am going to share some important questions so that you all can revise the topic, right? Okay. Now let's come to the next province, that is Bengal. Look, बंगाल वॉज द इम्पोर्टेंट सेंटर ऑफ ट्रेड. बंगाल जो है वो स्टार्टिंग से ही बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट सेंटर रहा है ट्रेड का. इसके जितने भी रूलर्स थे वो बहुत ज्यादा, आप कह सकते हो कि ऐसे रहे कि हमेशा रिवोल्ट कर देते थे अगर ऐसा कोई इश्यू इनको लगता था. बहुत ज्यादा गुस्से वाले, आप कह सकते हो, इसके रूलर्स हमेशा से ही रहे हैं. बंगाल में जो रूल किया, दो डायनेस्टी थे, दो रूलर्स थे, दो सुल्तान थे, इलियास शाही और Hussain Shahi, and after that Mughals annexed it. Look, in the next class I will talk about the Mughals. Okay, coming of Mughals. After this small kingdoms, the big empire that is coming our way is Mughal Empire, right? So we have already discussed about Kashmir, Marwar, Mewar and Bengal. Hope you are understanding this thing. Then the next independent kingdom, that is Gujarat. उसके बाद गुजरात आता है and the founder of Gujarat was Muzaffar Shah. You can keep check here who was Muzaffar Shah. Here is the picture of Muzaffar Shah. And some other important rulers who ruled over Gujarat were Ahmad Shah, Mahmud Shah and Bahadur Shah. And later on Akbar annexed it. Okay, Akbar, he was also the Mughal emperor, Akbar the Great. Maybe you have heard about him. Then comes Khandesh. The last important, I can say important kingdom was Khandesh. The founder was Raja Ahmad. कौन था इसका founder? Raja Ahmad. After him, Nasir Khan succeeded and built the town that of बुरहानपुर. ठीक है, राजा अहमद के बाद कौन आते हैं? नासिर खान आते हैं और वो क्या बनाएंगे? बुरहानपुर बनाएंगे. एंड लेटर ऑन इट बेसिकली वॉज एनेक्स्ड बाय द रूलर्स ऑफ गुजरात. और इसके बाद इसको खानदेश को कौन कर लेगा? गुजरात के रूलर कर लेंगे. आफ्टर दैट I will talk about the two most important kingdoms, that is Vijayanagar kingdom and Bahmani kingdom, right? The next kingdom was Vijayanagar kingdom and basically has emerged in the southern region. ठीक है, साउथ में emerge हुआ था 1336 में and the founder were two brothers, Harihar and Bukka. Basically they have rebelled against the Muhammad bin Tughlaq. मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक के टाइम पर थे, इन्होंने उसके अगेंस्ट में रिबेल कर दिया था और यहाँ पर अपनी इंडिपेंडेंस डिक्लेयर की इन द साउदर्न रीजन इन 1336. दिस एम्पायर हैज लास्टेड फॉर 230 ईयर्स. ठीक है, 230 साल तक करीब करीब ये एम्पायर चला. हरिहर जो था इसने 1336 में रूलिंग स्टार्ट की और करीब करीब 20 ईयर्स तक रूल किया. एंड देन बुक्का came in power and he has also ruled up to 1377. Right. Now we have to discuss about some dynasties of the Vijayanagar Empire. There were three dynasties. First one Sangma, second one Saluva and third one is Tuluva. These three dynasty has ruled over Vijayanagar Empire. Right. Here I have written the time period of these dynasty, from which particular time period they have started, and at the end I have written here, you can check. Then comes the important king. The important king was Krishnadev Rai. जो सबसे ज्यादा important king थे Krishnadev Rai थे. He has done so many things to make kingdom powerful. Powerful बनाने के लिए इन्होंने बहुत सारी चीजें की. ठीक है, he has ruled from 1509 to 1530. And then comes economic conditions of the Vijayanagar Empire. Look, Vijayanagar Empire was quite a rich empire. ठीक है, rich kingdom था बहुत ज़्यादा, and there were lots of source of income of their rulers. From land they have then taxes on property, sale of products, then marriages, professions. All of these are the some sources of revenue for the kingdom of Vijayanagar Empire. It's, I can say, a very important, big and the powerful kingdom during the reign of I can say Delhi Sultans, or you can say of the medieval history. First one we have discussed about Vijayanagar Empire. The second one is Bahmani kingdom. Look, the founder of the Bahmani kingdom was Alauddin Hasan. इनको हसन गंगू के नाम से भी बुलाया जाता था. ठीक है, and basically the tenure of the kingdom was from 1347 to 1527. Look, I want to tell you one thing here. There was a battle of Kalikot that has fought between these two empires in 1565. Battle of Kalikot हुआ था. ठीक है, इनके बीच में. Then we were talking about this Bahmani kingdom. It also lasted for 180 years, a big time period. 180 साल तक इसके रूलर्स ने राज किया. And there were two capitals. First Gulbarg and the other one, then after that Bidar. ये दोनों important capitals थे. And the important rulers were Firoz Shah Bahmani and Mahmud Gawan. You can here check their tenures कि कब से कब तक इन्होंने रूल किया. ठीक है, उसके बाद देखो ये बेसिकली जो था डेक्कन रीजन था, पूरा वेस्टर्न पोर्शन ऑफ इंडिया, यू कैन से ऑफ महाराष्ट्र एंड छत्तीसगढ़, एमपी, ये सारा रीजन जो था इन्होंने यहाँ पर रूल किया. और इसमें इनके कॉन्फ्लिक्ट थे आपस में, डेक्कनी और परदेसी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. बेसिकली जो महमूद गवन थे ये परदेसी थे. परदेसी मीन्स द रूलर्स हु हैव कम फ्रॉम इराक, अरब, सेंट्रल एशिया. तो जो रूलर्स यहाँ से आए थे इनको बोला जाता था परदेसी. और बेसिकली डेकेनी कौन थे? जो लोकल ओरिजिन के रूलर्स थे. तो उनकी आपस में बहुत ज्यादा लड़ाई चलती रहती थी. ठीक है. देन हाउ दिस किंगडम एंड्स, किस तरीके से ये किंगडम एंड हुआ. देखो जो जितने भी रूलर्स थे वो वीक पड़ चुके थे. इंपॉर्टेंट रूलर्स इन दोनों की बात करूं, दे वर आफ्टर देम द किंगडम हैज split into 5 important sultanates, 5 independent sultanates I have written here. First, let us discuss about it. First, Ahmednagar. Second one, Bijapur. Third one, Golconda. Fourth, Berar and Bidar. Right. So this is all about these two important kingdoms. In this class, we have discussed earlier about 5 important kingdoms, small kingdoms, and then the 2 big kingdoms. That is Vijayanagar Empire and second one, Bhamani Empire. So, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Your comments are literally very important. Your views, your opinions कि आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी, क्या improvements मैं कर सकती हूँ, whatever I have to change. Please tell me because your opinions literally matters a lot to me. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture. Stay tuned, stay connected, stay positive. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, share it to others and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.